Welcome to my channel, and today, we are stepping inside something the world has truly never seen before. Audi's 2026 Luxury Motorhome. This isn't just another vehicle on wheels. This is a rolling palace that redefines what it means to travel. Imagine the engineering precision of Audi's iconic cars, combined with the spacious comfort of a five-star residence, all packed into one futuristic masterpiece. Audi has always been known for its innovation, its sleek design, and its forward-thinking technology. But with this motorhome, they've gone beyond cars and SUVs into the ultimate luxury lifestyle machine. From the outside, it stuns with its futuristic aerodynamic body and signature Audi lighting, while on the inside, every corner whispers pure class. This is not just transportation, it's an experience, a statement, and a dream brought to life on wheels. Now let's begin with the kitchen. Because Audi knows luxury travel starts with the ability to enjoy fine dining anywhere you go. Step into this kitchen and you'll see why it feels more like a Michelin star restaurant on wheels than just a motorhome cooking area. The 2026 Audi Motorhome Kitchen is equipped with a full-sized induction cooktop, built-in smart oven, and an ultra-modern refrigerator that adapts its cooling zones based on what you store inside. The counters are designed with heat-resistant stone finishes, giving you both durability and elegance. LED-lit cabinets glide open with a touch, revealing storage space designed not only for utility but also for beauty. The faucets use motion sensors and even filter water automatically to provide purified drinking water wherever you are. There's also a seamlessly integrated coffee machine that connects to your Audi app, so your morning espresso is ready before you even step out of bed. Dining in this motorhome is not just cooking, it's an experience. One where Audi merges technology, convenience, and class into a single masterpiece of design. From the kitchen, we step into the bedroom, where Audi transforms rest into art. The 2026 Audi Motorhome bedroom is designed to be a sanctuary. The bed itself is a custom-crafted memory foam masterpiece with climate control built directly into the mattress, allowing you to set your perfect sleeping temperature. The walls are lined with soundproofing and ambient light strips that automatically adjust brightness and color tones, depending on the time of day, helping your body align naturally with restful cycles. The headboard doubles as a digital control hub, letting you adjust climate, curtains, and even entertainment with a touch or a voice command. Storage is hidden behind elegant sliding panels, keeping everything minimal and clean while still offering ample room for clothing and travel essentials. A panoramic roof opens up above the bed, letting you fall asleep under the stars wherever you are in the world. Every detail, from the soft textures to the futuristic controls, ensures that your nights inside this motorhome feel more luxurious than even the best penthouse suite. Now let's head into the bathroom, where Audi truly separates itself from ordinary motorhomes. The 2026 Audi Motorhome bathroom is nothing short of a spa experience. Stepping inside, you're greeted with floor-to-ceiling mirrors, smart glass that can instantly shift from clear to frosted for privacy, and a rainfall shower that uses recycled water purification technology, ensuring sustainability without compromising luxury. The shower itself offers customizable water pressure and temperature memory, so every person can have their own perfect shower at the touch of a button. The sink is crafted from polished stone, paired with gold-accented fixtures that are as functional as they are beautiful. Heated floors make every step comfortable, and the air purification system ensures the bathroom always feels fresh. Even the toilet is fully smart, with built-in cleaning systems, touch-free functionality, and integrated lighting for night use. This is more than a bathroom. It's a wellness center built into your private moving castle. And now let's cycle back again to the kitchen, because Audi's designers made sure this motorhome feels seamless. Coming back, you realize it's not just about function. It's about living in harmony with your environment. The kitchen transforms into a lounge area when not in use, with counters folding away and smart surfaces converting into entertainment screens. You can cook, dine, or even host guests all in a space that adapts to your needs instantly. Moving again into the bedroom, you see how it redefines the meaning of comfort, with its multifunction design turning the bed into a sofa or workspace when needed. And back into the bathroom, you understand that Audi's engineers didn't just make spaces, they created experiences. From the smallest fixtures to the largest features, everything is seamless, futuristic, and designed for comfort on the road. Finally, standing back and looking at the whole picture, the 2026 Audi Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a revolution in travel. It combines Audi's unmatched engineering with futuristic luxury, creating a rolling lifestyle machine that the world has never seen before. Whether you are in the kitchen savoring a meal, resting in the bedroom, or rejuvenating in the spa-like bathroom, every moment feels extraordinary. Audi has set a new standard, showing that the future of motorhomes is not about compromise. It's about complete freedom wrapped in absolute luxury. And that is why the 2026 Audi motorhome is already being called the ultimate road luxury of the future. So, what do you think? Could you imagine yourself living in this Audi luxury machine? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible reviews. Until next time, keep dreaming big and traveling in style.